Welcome to our training, Review Fees You've Paid. At Amazon, we calculate certain selling and FBA fees individually. This helps reflect the range of products sold and the different ways sellers use various services and programs. If you'd like to review and better understand fees that you've paid, we offer several tools. 3 of these tools let you see a snapshot of fees paid on a product, over a settlement period, or on a specific transaction. 3 others are reports you can use to understand fees across your FBA inventory. And a final tool can help you determine which fee category a specific product falls into. Let's review how each of these tools works. The first tool is the SKU Economics card, which lets you see the fees you've been charged for selling a particular product. To access this tool, hover over Inventory in the main menu on Seller Central, then click Manage All Inventory. Locate the product you want fee information for and then click its SKU. This will bring you to a dashboard for the product, which includes sales, pricing, and inventory information. Scroll down to the SKU Economics card to review fees you've paid. Start by selecting a date range or setting a custom date range. Then hover over the bar for each time period to see a summary of the sales, total Amazon charges or fees, and net proceeds for the product. To the right, you can see this same data combined into a single snapshot, viewed as either a total of all sales or per unit. Note that not all fees are included in the SKU Economic card. Instead, we include the most common fees relevant to the average seller, such as referral fees, FBA fulfillment fees, and monthly FBA storage fees. If you'd like a snapshot of fees paid for a settlement period, you can use the statement view of your payment dashboard in Seller Central. To access this tool, hover over Reports in the main menu, then click Payments in the sub-menu. The statement view summarizes your payment information, including your total balance, available funds, and recent payouts. It also provides a graph that breaks down your total balance. You'll see sales and other debit information in green, and expenses and other credit information in red. Use the drop-down menu at the top to choose a settlement period. Then look for fee summaries in your expenses. Amazon fees include product referral fees, FBA fulfillment fees, professional selling account fees, if applicable, and chargebacks for shipping. FBA fees include storage and removal order fees, as well as inbound transportation charges. Cost of advertising summarizes charges for your Amazon advertising account, if applicable. And other includes miscellaneous charges like coupon redemption fees and Amazon lending payments. To get a more detailed snapshot of fees you've paid for one or more settlement periods, select Transaction View at the top of your payment dashboard. Use the filters or search bar at the top to locate specific transactions. A transaction can be an order, a refund, or an Amazon-initiated charge or credit. After you've located a specific transaction, check the Amazon Fees column and click the amount in the Total column if you'd like additional details. You can also click the referral fee amount on the Transaction Details page to get a breakdown of that specific fee. The next 3 tools for reviewing fees you've paid are FBA reports. These reports can help you better understand various fees you've paid across your FBA inventory. They also allow you to compare and add up fees across products or FBA storage types. You can access all 3 reports from the same place in Seller Central. Hover over Reports, then click Fulfillment by Amazon in the main menu. Then scroll down to the Payments reports on the left-hand side. The Monthly Storage Fees report shows the estimated monthly storage fees for each product you have stored in Amazon fulfillment centers. To download this report, select a month and year, then select .csv or .txt as your file type. When your report is ready, click the Download button. After opening the file, you'll see a row for each product. The first set of columns identifies products using IDs and product information. The next set names the country and fulfillment center where the product is stored. and the remaining set of columns contains details used to calculate your monthly storage fee. The basic formula for an FBA monthly storage fee is the average daily units of the product being stored multiplied by the products per unit cubic volume. This is then multiplied again by the applicable storage rate, which can vary by product type, size tier, and time of year. You can use columns in the monthly storage fees report to review the components of this formula for each one of your FBA products. The next report, Long-Term Storage Fee Charges, provides itemized details for your most recent long-term storage fees. This allows you to identify which of your products in Amazon fulfillment centers were charged a long-term storage fee on the 15th of each month, and to review the amounts charged. To view the report online, select a month and year, then click the Generate Report button. To download a report, select a month and year, then select .csv or .txt as your file type. When your report is ready, click the Download button. After opening the file, you'll see a row for each product. Like in the monthly storage fees report, the first set of columns identifies products using IDs and product information. The next set contains your monthly long-term storage fee charges for a product, along with details used to calculate it. And the final set of columns names the fulfillment center where the product is stored and indicates whether the item is enrolled in FBA Small and Light. The rate for long-term storage is based on the per unit cubic volume of the product, or the number of sellable units stored, whichever is greater. You can use columns in the long-term storage fee charges report to review the components of the fee rate for each one of your FBA products. The last report, Inventory Storage Overage Fees, shows estimated inventory storage overage fees for each type of fulfillment center storage that your inventory has exceeded the limit for. At the end of each month, it allows you to identify which storage types were exceeded. You can also review the amounts charged in a given month. To download this report, select a month and year, then select .csv or .txt as your file type. When your report is ready, click the Download button. After opening the file, you'll see a row for each storage type that incurred an overage fee. The first column contains the date the storage limit was exceeded, which is also the date the overage fee first applies. The next column names the country where the product is stored. And the remaining columns contain the amount charged, along with details used to calculate it. You can estimate FBA overage fees by first multiplying a current overage by the month's daily overage rate, then multiplying again by the number of charge days left in the month. If you've already incurred an overage for the same month, you should add that amount to your estimate too. You can use columns in the Inventory Storage Overage Fees report to review the components of this formula for each storage type that incurred an overage fee. The last tool on Seller Central that you can use to understand fees paid is our Fee Category Guidelines. This easy-to-use tool provides a detailed, searchable list of products in each fee category. To access this tool, search for our Understanding Fee Categories help page in Seller Central. Then click the link to the Fee Category Guidelines. Click a category in the table to be brought to a list of products that fall into that category. Every ASIN in the Amazon catalogue and all ASINs of a specific type belong to a single fee category. These categories determine the fee rates that apply to each product and are used to calculate various fees, including referral and FBA fulfillment fees. This concludes our training on reviewing fees you've paid. We encourage you to explore each tool we've introduced to find out how it might help your business succeed. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.